So just thought I'd come outside today to show you, if you're interested in growing wheatgrass, just what you can achieve by growing it outside. You don't necessarily have to grow it indoors. Just come out, got a couple of little pots full of beautiful wheatgrass here, another one here coming on with little fresh shoots, and then going round to this little one, and that's in the bottom of a flower pot tray. And as you can see, I'm really pleased with the results that I'm getting with growing wheatgrass outside. I do grow it inside as well. Here's a pot that I cropped yesterday, and today, strangely enough, it's raining a lot. Rained overnight as well, and the wheatgrass has absolutely loved this, and it's just shooting up, and you can see these lovely fresh green shoots. So anybody can do this. You can grow them outside as well as indoors, and I'm actually having some fantastic results with growing wheatgrass outside, and I just wanted to share these beautiful young wheatgrass shoots with you so that you can see what you can achieve by growing wheatgrass outside. Please keep watching the Facebook page for more information about using growing wheatgrass and the benefits, the absolutely wonderful, fantastic benefits that come with wheatgrass. And thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.